Welcome back sa ating channel. We are here for another new brand in the market, and I know, baka mamaya sasabihin nyo, new brand. Baka katulad na naman yan ng mga ibang mga brands na nakikita natin sa Shopee, sa Lazada, etc. Pero guys, before we will now introduce a new brand in the market, especially here in the Philippines, what we do is do a very thorough research of who are the people behind that brand, ano yung foundation nila. Kasi kadalasan pag new brand in the market, they always offer a very good bang for the buck pricing. Pero talaga bang bang for the buck? Baka mura lang. Pero hindi. Kasi actually yung pricing niya medyo, it's not really that cheap, pero it's very worth it compared sa mga competitors in terms of features, in terms of build, as it is stated on paper. Pero yan yung malalaman natin ngayon. Sulit pa. Here is the brand of Ossipus, and yes, it is made by the people who are previously working at a very popular brand na sobrang sikat din dito sa Pilipinas. Yan yung aalamin natin with this video, and for more videos like this, feel free to subscribe.
This video is brought to you by SCDKey, the best website that you may visit in terms of very affordable deals and best offer para sa application softwares, games, and yes, operating system. And there you are, you may check the Windows 10 Pro, and by using our promo code, ma-avail mo lang siya ng around $14.95 or 700 plus pesos. That's it mga kaibigan. Check the description below. May mga links po tayo dyan to go directly sa kanilang website.
Alright, so hindi ko napapatagalin. Let's do the unboxing right away. And of course, while I'm doing the unboxing is I will be also stating details kung ano ba tong brand na to. So, yeah. Ossipus. I don't know. Kung yun yung pinakatamang way to pronounce this. Pero yan, Ossipus ang pagkakapronounce ko sa kanya. So, unahin natin yung kanilang CPU cooler, pero syempre mas maganda kung yung non-RGB muna na CPU cooler, and digital siya. So they sent us the 360mm variant, and packaging pa lang talagang medyo dito ramdam mo nang seryoso sila sa pag-manufacture ng kanilang brand. Kasi itong klase ng packaging na to, meron siya talagang plastic, hindi siya bare brown box para sa isang AIO. Ganda actually ng packaging niya, very premium. And then yung logo, sobrang simple lang, letter O. Yun na yun. Tapos black yung kanyang Sipus. O, orange yellow, tapos Sipus. Ang intention ko kasi dahil new brand siya in the market is to check the build quality. Yun muna. Kasi unboxing pa naman to eh. So, build quality muna. Doon magsisimula lahat eh. Ano ba yung build quality? Paano nila prepare yung kanilang product? And ayun, makikita nyo. Yan. So, ako, first time ko din na makakita. Alright. So, nandun sa ilalim yung kanyang box para sa mga screws. And thermal paste, nakahiwalay bracket for AMD. And then, meron din siyang LGA 1700 brackets. Alright, so ayun. Let's move on sa mismong item. And napakaganda nito. Kasi ang ginawa na nila, naka-pre-install na yung mga fans. O, diba? Hindi mo na po problemahin. Kasi minsan sa totoo lang, hassle yun. Yung hindi pa naka-install yung fans, kadalasan naman yung orientation ng fans, andito naman na eh. So, at least kung naka-pre-install na siya, sobrang less hassle yun para sa isang technician. Ang ganda. Uy, hindi siya basta O lang na nandun, talagang may texture, talagang ano eh, parang naka-engrave eh. Galing. Seryoso sila. Sobrang premium. And piano finish. Digital variant. Actually, digital version to. And yung kanyang pricing is very competitive. So, ayun. Hindi siya printed lang, talagang mismong emblem. Talagang naidikit. Wow. Hindi to lumalaban sa budget side ng market. Pero yung kanyang pricing, sobrang baba pa compared sa mga competitors. And fun fact, para magkaroon na kayo ng idea, siguro nahalata nyo na rin kanina, the people behind this brand, Ossipus. kaya pumayag na rin akong i-review or i-unbox siya or i-feature dito sa ating channel are the people behind or previous people who worked with Deepcool before. So sila po. Di na ako nagtaka nung nakita ko yung kanilang website. Nakalagay doon is yung pinuntahan namin. So it's like neighbor lang pala nila, kapitbahay lang nila kung saan din pinatayo yung HQ nito. Plus yung mismong headquarters nila is sa Beijing. So di na ako nagtaka. Okay, magkapitbahay nga talaga sila. Legit nga na itong si Ocipus at saka si Deepcool parehas lang. So siguro there are some kind of internal stuff, politics or whatsoever. I don't know what's behind those brands. Pero ang importante dito, there's another competitor and yung nagparating din dito sa Pilipinas is very, very legit. Kaya sigurado ako na maging maganda hindi lang yung products, kundi mismong yung after sales ng ating Ocipus products. So, mamadalihin na natin para hindi tayo matagalan. Unboxing pa lang ito guys, kaya more on sa mga physical attributes lang muna tayo magpo-focus. Okay, so the Ocipus Delta L36 naman, yung kanyang RGB L360. Ayun, hindi siya digital. Yung kanina digital eh. Oh, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, Deepcool. Alright, Deepcool way. Galing. Insulated. Ayan, so install mo na lang, ikakabit mo na lang. Ganda. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Grabe ah. Talagang ano eh, fresh na fresh eh, freshly baked. Naiikot din. Galing. So, of course, like any other AIOs, pag unboxing naman, wala naman tayong masyadong may papakita dito, kundi yung mismong product and close-ups. So, bigyan ko na lang kayo ng magandang close-up nitong product na to. Para at least you will have an idea how cool it is, how serious is Ocipus in manufacturing their coolers. And sa lineup pa lang, mahahalata mo na talagang Deepcool nga to. So, pupunta na tayo sa kanilang casing. So, di ba? Ang Deepcool produce casing and also they also manufacture coolers. So, ayan. Okay, the Ocipus Gamma C70. Alright, tingnan natin. So, maging potential na competitor nito sa ating market is of course Deepcool and TechQueer. So, another fun fact, the distributor of this brand here in the Philippines is also the distributor of AMD and Intel. Okay, di ba? So, backed by bigating mga distributors. So, kung sino yung distributor ng AMD and Intel, sila din po ang nagparating po ng brand na to sa ating bansa. Kaya naman, sobrang nakakagulat na nag-risk sila ng ganun-ganun lang. So, hindi naman basta-basta magre-risk yung mga yan sa isang brand na so-so lang. So, ibig sabihin, talagang naimbestigahan, na-inspect, nakita kung saan yung headquarters nila, nasaan yung manufacturing nila, bago nila ito pinarating or bago nila in-approve na paratingin itong kanilang product dito sa Pilipinas. So, believe din ako. So, talagang seryoso talaga sila. Hopefully, hindi lang dun sila may matibay na credential. Galing! Kita mo naman. Actually, minsan sinisip ko, wala nang kumbaga sagad na sa design pagdating sa mga casings. Pero minsan may mga nakakagulat pa din eh. So, this is more like a torrent or ano, pero iba din yung pagka-implement nito. Oh. Yung placement ng logo nila talagang kulit eh. Galing. Di ba? Normally, naglalagay lang sila ng badge. Ito talaga, oh, parang naka-flash yung mismong logo na... Yung pag hindi ka into computers at nakita mo to, parang you will feel na, uy, premium yung kanyang computer. Kasi yung implementation napaka-premium. Di ba? Even with other gadgets, kung gaganyan ba naman ang pagkakalagay ng mga logo, yung hindi lang naidikit na badge. Pero hindi naman tayo pwedeng aesthetics lang. So, nandiyan ang kanyang power button. Okay, very snappy. Reset button. And then, I think there will be a Type-C variant of this in the future. So, merong nakaabang doon na for the Type-C. Then, USB ports, audio ports. Tapos, yung kanyang tempered glass. Tignan natin. Okay. So, this is actually for the budget lineup. Nagsasabi ako kung paano magtanggal ng tempered glass. Ako naman yung pasaway. Tanggalin natin yung kanyang tempered glass. And inspect natin sa loob. So, meron na po siyang kasamang 3 fans. And isang fan naman sa likod. Wow, actually napakamura niya. May 4 na fans. So, yung 4 na fans, kung i-compare natin sa Deepcool, yung 4 na fans na yon is kadalasan nasa 1.8 sa Deepcool, di ba? 1.518. So, less 3.1, which is the price of this. So, parang lumalabas itong casing lang na ito is nasa 1 plus. Pero, sa totoo lang, kasama na lahat po, nasa 3.1 po. Ang isa sa mga nakita natin pinakamababang offer pagdating dito sa ating Gamma C70. 3.1 po siya sa ating market. So, for 3,000 more or less, tapos, meron siyang 4 na fans na ARGB. Sobrang sulit na. 3,000 plus. So, there's a new competitor in the block that is from a very reputable organization. Okay, organization muna. Kasi, kailangan mo nang i-establish ni Ossipus yung kanyang brand. Hindi pa natin matatawag silang reputable brand, kundi we can call them that they are backed by a very, very reputable organization. So, yun yung aabangan natin. How will this brand progress here in the Philippines? Sobrang maganda yung kanilang offers compared sa mga competitors, compared sa mga new players here in the market. They are not at the same playing field as those cheapo brands in the market, pero isa sa mga kailangan nating abangan. Ayun, is a very good brand to consider, especially if you are into budget and you want a reliable feature, you want to make sure na safe or magtatagal yung mga components mo. So, this is, I think, one of the brand now that you may consider. So, maganda na mas marami tayong options and choices. It is very, very healthy and helpful para sa mga consumer side. So, abangan natin ang iba pang mga products or ano pa yung mga kayang ilabas ng Ossipus. Actually, marami po silang pinadala. Pero 3 lang yung kaya kong ipakita sa inyo para hindi tayo humaba. And we have an overview kung ano yung gawa din nila. Alright, so hopefully those products that I have already unboxed, it will be enough for you guys to have a perspective or preview if you will consider checking more Ossipus products in the market. Now, for more videos like this, feel free to subscribe.